Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about CRO, the Crypto.com coin, the Crypto.com currency. And today I just want to highlight just a few things of why you might want to do some research around this coin. And this could be something that could be pretty good for your portfolio. A lot of times when I'm talking about different investments and cryptocurrency, especially now with cryptocurrency, a lot of times I get people that like, man, why don't you tell me about like what you're doing or what you're looking at and stuff like that. So here's one of the coins that I have been looking at. And disclaimer, yes, I have invested in this coin or bought the token. But keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not encouraging you to buy anything. I'm only encouraging you to research, do your own research, learn, and make a decision that works best for you. Here I am, just kind of giving, I guess, of a earlier notion before things like really explode, or if it may explode or whatever the case is. But just want to kind of talk about it just a little bit. So if you haven't been paying attention, then you kind of seen some of the news recently with Crypto.com, in particular with what's happening with them and the Staples Center Arena. Now, one of the things with Crypto.com, I've been watching it for some time because Crypto.com and the coin, for example, goes along with it. It's kind of almost like you're buying stock in the company, but it's not the stock, but it's the coin, and it has different, usage cases and different things that can be used for it, but also it just kind of represents the company. Now, the great thing about this particular coin is that it actually has something that you can see, Crypto.com, right? So you see it has a business. Now, recently it's been going up pretty good, and you can see here, Crypto.com is now number 13 when it concerns the coin market coin market cap. So it's been going up for some time, actually, and I actually started to invest in it back when it was like 20 cents or so. Reason being is because I had the Crypto.com app. Now, if you don't know about the Crypto.com app or Crypto.com, it's similar to like Coinbase. So if you know what Coinbase is, you know what Crypto.com is essentially. And so basically, once I downloaded the app, one of the things that they will always, kind of show you is, what's going on with their own coin and what's been going on with that. So you go back and you go back and you go back, you'll see that the coin was, less than a penny, stuff like that. But, after watching it, using the app, the company, because they have some really good features, I decided to, well, I guess maybe I'll buy some because it makes sense. And so now you can see it's kind of spiked up. Well, the reason why it spiked up recently, and if you go back just 3 months, you see where it was. But the reason why it spiked up recently is because of the news and the announcement surrounding the Staples Center. The Staples Center will become Crypto.com Arena. Now, this is huge in so many different ways. And one of the reasons is, or let me just kind of break just this headline down alone. One, you have two major sports teams that play in the Staples Center, the Lakers and the Clippers. So you're always hearing about these sports teams, especially the Lakers. You're having LeBron James being, a Laker basketball player. Now you have Staples Center, and it's happening in December when the name be changed. It will no longer be called the Staples Center, but it will be live from Crypto.com Arena. So the word crypto will constantly be played in the ears of people over and over again. And then this is very smart marketing. It shows they have money. The deal is reportedly $700 million. But Crypto.com, people are going to start saying, what is Crypto.com? What is crypto? So it starts to put things that some people have kind of been putting off. It starts to put it right in your face, because now you'll literally be seeing the Crypto.com Arena. If you're anywhere near the Staples Center or Crypto.com Arena, what you're going to see is Crypto.com. And so that's huge. And right now I'm on ESPN. So it's one thing if these things are kind of like in the view of people who are just like financial experts or looking for finances and looking for crypto. No, this is in the view of everybody. And so if you haven't noticed, even with Crypto.com, they've started to do advertisements and things like that. And their name is starting to grow. But as their name builds, so does the particular arena of or sector of just crypto. And so that's pretty huge, right? And they have white papers. You actually go and check the white papers yourself. Crypto.com, just say crypto.com coin white papers. It'll come right up, PDF. And you can actually search through and see, basically what they're about. And here's the thing with crypto.com. Now, on their website, you might not notice if you haven't been, but just look at this video that's on the website. Does anybody look familiar? Look at this guy. Looks familiar, right? So they've been building their business, and they've becoming more and more popular. And their app is pretty good. It has a credit card or debit card, like a crypto coin card or whatever you call it, attached to it, which actually can give you like some money back from using your cryptocurrency for purchases, things like that. They're one of the ones the first ones to do it pretty good. And so they also have They also have NFTs, as well as other products that you can go and you can search, but more importantly, just understanding that this is an actual company. So if you're buying into, or you want to buy into this company, then their coin is one of the ways that you can go and buy into it. And you can go check out, what they have to offer, etc. And the difference between this and like the stock market is, it's international. So you can switch here. And once you actually come on the app, they actually wish your language, etc. So it's actually a pretty good company in my opinion. I don't know if you guys even knew that they had a coin that represents the company, but that coin has definitely been exploding in the last week or so, especially when they had the announcement. So we go back 7 days. You can see here, it's already 40 cents. It got up to about 80 cents. 81 was one of the updates I had on my phone. And then you can see it just kind of, cooled off, came down. Of course, people who bought in early were more than likely, buy out of it. But this is just a little quick review, a little quick look at, the CRO coin. And if you didn't know, you can buy it on Coinbase as well. And it's becoming one of the most popular or most sought after coins that's being bought on Coinbase right now, especially with this announcement with the Staples Center. Anybody that I know that's in the cryptos or just investing period has been talking about this and texting about it and etc. So this might be something that you can take a look at, might be good for your portfolio, might be a good, place to, because this company is a real company. Versus a lot of the altcoins that you see come out, a lot of times, you don't know what's real or what's there, but here you can actually see. And they have some pretty good features into it's even for like staking your coins and different things that sometimes people kind of, fret about when it concerns like being able to stake their coins and things like that. So like, for example, they have no lockup period. So take your time and go on the website, check it out, download the app, see what it's like. And if you also want to download the app and possibly get some coins, because they do have referral, I'll drop that link down in the description below. All right, guys. So feel free to like and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace.